Still I thought I'd see this day. I can see you smiling at the heaven. Rainy day after rainy day. It's straight A. But I can see you smiling at the heaven gate. Lord sending so much love, but still there's so much hate. Why people talking on your name, they never seen your face. Ice falling from the sky, another rainy day. I close my eyes and see you smiling at the heaven gates. Lord sending so much love, still there's so much hate. They talking on your name, but never see your face. Lord took away.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we have something going on today. Who are we gonna prank on today, Giselle?
My stepdad and Chino.
So we got Caesar and Chino today. So we're getting ready to go do what we're gonna do. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and go watch our TikToks. What's your TikTok?
My TikTok is Giselle Vargas, but 2 S's instead of 1. And the last thing is the number 1.
Yes, and down on the description is our post office box address and the link to go buy the Alejandro t-shirts and our social media stuff. So stay tuned. Hope you guys like this little vlog we're gonna do. It's gonna be a little short, but it's gonna be good.
Comes the music.
Boom, 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 boom. I'ma shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom. Ow, 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 ow. Boom, 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 boom. I'ma shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom. Ow, 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 ow.
Watch, I'm professional. I can do your part, mother.
Write your name on there, mijo. Write your name on that side.
Wait, put the lights. The lights.
Put Mama Lona on it.
Yeah, put it. No, I'm doing the top. I'm doing right here. No, I'm gonna do it here.
Police just put no quema, cuz. Over here on this side. Do it. On the window. On the window. Jump on the truck in the window.
Mom, look how much my spray.
What was it?
Wait. No camera. Okay.
We're vlogging. People are just staring at us. We have to prank though. We're pranking my boyfriend and my nephew.
Huh?
We're pranking my boyfriend and my nephew.
Oh shit! I was like, again. I was like.
This is the aftermatch of the cars, you guys, with the kids, and they're just doing a little something simple. So yeah, aftermatch. We gotta go wake them up and tell them.
Hey, Mom, can I show them how to do a flip?
No quema, cuz. Ulises did that. He's just gonna be pissed because he just washed his truck yesterday. So I'm gonna have to call
Mom, look at
I'm
your
gonna have to call what's his name
Google. Mom,
and have him come and wash La Mamalona.
no quema.
No quema. Jaden put his name there. Brian put his name over there. Ulises did no quema. So we gotta go hop back in the window because they don't know we did this. So right now when they wake up. This is fun. Let's see how the reaction goes. And I'll jump back in the window. Ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, now that's a lady. Now boys first.
Here.
What do you mean? We're the ones who go first.
Here, you're gonna vlog because I know I'm gonna fucking fall.
Okay, we'll make fun of you. I'll make sure to post it on Instagram too. Perfect. Let's see if my mom falls.
How you guys do this shit?
Cause you're not bad. Hey, you shut up. It's my mom. That's my mama too. I know that too. Don't stand right there.
Sit over here. One of you guys sit there.
Oh, I'm too light. I'm gonna be fine.
Okay.
You made it in live?
I made it alive.
Can I go wake him up?
No, hold on.
Can we just wake him up? Can they wake up Season?
Yeah, but we gotta wake up one at a time. Where are they at? We're trying to wake up Chino, you guys. Chino, wake up. Something happened to your car, dude. Like, seriously. Like, I'm dead serious. You have to hurry up and go look at it. Oh. Hurry up.
Just please.
He just said, I'm dead, kid. Babe, something happened to your truck.
Something happened.
Like, I'm dead serious. Something just happened to your truck. I'm serious. Truck! Wake up! Just wake up, babe. Something happened to your truck. I'm dead serious. Come on.
Don't be
Go.
lazy.
Yeah, don't be lazy. Get up.
Yeah. Hurry up.
I swear to God.
Don't worry. Well, then something happened to the truck and you don't even know. I don't even know how I put.
Ándale, véngase, véngase, dice Ulises.
It's nothing.
Hurry, you go hurry up. Go check it out. Go.
What the fuck? Oh,
That's what happens when you do my tires.
But make sure you
Babe, go look around.
look at the back. Look at the back.
Mamalona, hi, Jaden. Oh, fucking, you got that Chino too? Yeah, that's fucked up.
It says no chemical at the back.
Damn, why?
Oh, but look.
I just watched it yesterday
You
too.
can wash it again. Don't be lazy. You can wash it again.
Like I paid to get washed.
They're your homies.
Fuck.
Aren't they the homies?
Hey, aren't they your homies, he says?
Ulises.
I tried to get Ulises as your favorite, but I ended up putting it right here.
Babe, one of my neighbors passed by. He thought someone came and did this to your guys' car. He's like...
Look, bro.
How do you like
new spray.
That's us some fucking 24 pack.
You don't need a new car.
We woke them up just to You guys gotta call the cops. Your guys' cars got vandalized.
Yeah, with I love you, fucking Ulises name.
Yeah, it says Ulises, your favorite.
Okay, my car. You know how to spell. And you got the evidence, fingerprints.
Oh, we left the cans in here. My bad. Thought we threw them both. Babe, you like the way we paint cars?
Hell no.
You hire us to paint your guys' car?
Never again. Alright, you guys get to watching.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't get my name. No.
So the babe has a hangover and he wants a preparado michelada. And the only car we have is his truck. So me and Giselle have to drive his truck. And he's over there. Look at you guys. He's still in shock. He's still in shock. He's still in shock.
No bueno.
Novia tóxica. So yeah, we're gonna go to the store in his truck, all spray painted. They're gonna be heading over here to wash it soon. So yeah, so stay tuned.
Mom, no. Yeah, you didn't even take care of your cat.
Well, you guys didn't do a good job.
Get the outside?
Bitches was supposed to do the inside too.
When?
Yesterday, that's what Max said.
Dude, what the fuck you guys doing around here?
Woke up to that.
We got our mom alone now? You woke up today?
They woke me up to that. Yeah. I'm hungover.
Nah, that shit's all fucked up.
Hey everyone, so if you guys are really from Bakersfield and you need a car wash, please go hit them up and ask them. They did a good job. They're Caesar's friends, and they have a car wash company which is called La Lavada. So go hit them up if you need a car wash. Only if you're in Bakersfield, you guys. Please don't just go hit them up and start blowing up their phones or anything like that. Please, I ask you guys for respect. They're starting a business. Let's help them out. If you guys are from Bakersfield, go hit them up. I'm putting their information in my blog, and it's going to be down there in the description. So, yeah. So the babe had to call the homies so they could come and wash their cars. But he's paying for it, not us. We did the mess up job. He has to get it washed. So yeah.
Mom, they should really wash their truck.
Right? Hey everyone. Hey everyone. So we just did a little small prank slash truck cars on my boyfriend Caesar and my nephew Chino. I'm trying to end my vlog.
No, but I'm telling you something. I'm gonna throw my cat out right now.
Why?
Cause she keeps running now, then look at her. She keeps running now, then if I keep hitting her, so she keeps running out.
Okay, well, Ulises just interrupted me ending my vlog, so let me go ahead and start this all over. Yeah, so we jumped out of the window. We came and spray painted the cars, and then after we were done spray painting the cars, as you guys could see, we jumped back into the window, went and woke up Caesar and my nephew, and had them come out and look at the cars because we became professional painters. So if you guys need some people to paint your cars, trucks, hit us up. No, I'm just playing. Don't hit us up because we don't know how to paint. But yeah, I hope you guys like this little vlog that we did. It was just something fun that I wanted to do with the kids, and it was a good morning, I guess. So go like, comment, turn on your notifications, subscribe to my channel, and yes,
No, the kids pranked my boyfriend and my nephew. For our YouTube channel. Yeah, so now our neighbors think that they did this to our cars. But yeah, no. So go like, comment, turn on your notifications, subscribe to my channel. I keep on getting interrupted eventually. Sorry, you guys. But yes, go have everybody run up and turn on their notifications and subscription so we go get to 100,000 subscribers. So we could go ahead and do the raffle. My boyfriend just came out. Yeah, so 2 t-shirts, a sweater, and LED lights raffle once I hit 100,000 subscribers. Stay tuned. Keep on watching. Much love to everybody. Bye.
Rest never thought I'd see this day. I can see you smiling at the heaven. Rainy day after rainy day. It's straight A. And I can see you smiling at the heaven gate. Lord sending so much love, but still there's so much hate. Why people talking on your name, they never see your face. Ice falling from the sky, another rainy day. I close my eyes and see you smiling at the heaven gates. Lord sending so much love, still there's so much hate. They talking on your name, but never see your face. Lord took away the sun and he brought the rain. I can see you smiling at the heaven gates. I want vengeance cause I feel the rage. I want the person who did this to burn in flames. Feel the pain, cause that shit turned me insane in my brain. Driving on these streets, it's not a game, it's not a game. I never thought I'd see the day it made me cry. But now you up in heaven and you flying high, flying high.